Here we go. Used to be on Sesame Street that they would have, today's episode is brought to you by a letter and a number. So this video is brought to you by a new word, exponentize. All right. Actually, what we need to do is write each exponential expression as a logarithmic expression. So we just are going to use our definition. For our first one, to write it as a log, a part I. The base goes here. So what's the base of our power? The base is 3. So we write 3 as our base. If you remember that logs solve for exponents, you know on the other side of the equal sign is going to be the exponent. And what is inside the log is the answer. Sometimes what I think about when I see a log is I just think about a little arrow here, and I think 3 to what power is that 27? So I don't actually read it as log, well, I read it as log 3 of 27 is, but I think to myself, 3 to what power is 27? Because logs solve for exponents, and then you know that that answer is 3. So these other ones, again, we're doing the same thing. Writing in log form, what is the base? The base is 5. Log solve for exponent. What's the exponent? It's minus 2. What's the answer? 1 over 25. When writing logarithms, when you write the base, it would be called subscript. It's a smaller number that's written lower. Superscript is what you write for exponents, like x squared. And with logs, you have subscript, which is a smaller number underneath. So part 3, log, the base is 4. The exponent is 0. The answer was 1. Yes? Why does 1/25 have brackets over it? Just so that you could see that that's all inside, just because it was a fraction. It could be written if you wrote it neat enough, you could tell that it was 1/25 inside, and it wouldn't need brackets, but just makes, when you have more than one thing inside of the log, it just makes it clear that both of those things are inside that logarithm. And then in part B, you're just wanting to change each of these as an exponential. So again, using the definition of logarithm, the base is 7, exponent is 2, the answer is 49. Second one, the base is 4, the exponent is negative 3, and the answer is 1 over 64. And the last one, I wish they would have written the last one just like this. To get you to realize, okay, it's a log, but no base is written. Anytime that no base is written, it's our common log. So the base is 10. The exponent is negative 4. And that's in exponential form. So one of the things that we do is we learn how to write things in exponential form and log form and switch them back and forth. And that's just using this definition. Later on, we will exponentize some more. Okay. Questions you can do are 5, 6, and 8.